Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use Gusto Wallet as an employee. Now, whether you're trying to keep track of your money or take advantage of Gusto's financial tools, you're in the right place. Now, I'm going to show you how to set this up. Step 1, download the Gusto Wallet app. Now head over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Gusto Wallet, and then download the app, and once it's installed, open it up and log into your Gusto account credentials. Step 2, explore your dashboard. Now once you're in, you're going to land on your dashboard. Here you can see your balance as well as recent transactions and upcoming paydays. Step 3, set up savings goals. Now Gusto Wallet lets you create savings goals, whether it's a rainy day funds, vacation funds, or paying off debt. Just tap savings and follow the prompts to create your goal and start stashing money automatically. Step 4, use the spending accounts. Now, if you've opted into Gusto spending accounts, you're going to get a Gusto debit card that you can use just like any other bank. Now, you can track spending, set budgets, and avoid overdraft fees. Step 5, explore the financial tools. Now you also find tools to help you monitor spending habits as well as to check your credit scores and plan smarter. It's like having a mini financial advisor right in your pockets. Pretty useful. And that's it. Gusto Wallet is designed to help you make the most of your paycheck. Stay tuned for the next guide where we'll show you how to set up direct deposits in Gusto. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.